Hello, Jamie. Are you ready to paint?
Yes.
So here's your apron. Put it on and we'll head out.
Thank you. It's so nice to paint out here. What a great idea. Okay, so tell me all your secrets. How do I make something beautiful?
So it's super easy. We are doing the pour painting today.
Okay.
And the first step we will have to do is to combine the paint and water together, just little by little.
Okay, so it's just like a little splash.
Yeah, just to make sure we have that silky finish like this.
So how long have you been doing paint pouring for?
We start paint pouring for 2 years now. So I studied in theater design and scenic art. So my practice is to paint scenery, sets, like the big things.
So as I was walking in, I noticed there's a lot of different shops in here, like even some fashion shops and restaurants.
We have like different Hong Kong local designers, studios and shops and also retails.
I think it really helps the art scene in Hong Kong. I feel like it really changed everything when this was built and came about.
Yeah. So it's more like a landmark of creativity.
So I feel like the Hong Kong art scene has grown a lot over the past few years with exhibitions and galleries. And I know PMQ has a huge history.
It used to be the Central School campus, but during the World War II, it was damaged and also rebuilt to the police marriage quarters in 1951. Yeah,
so all the families lived here.
Yeah, and in 2014, it transformed to the nowadays PMQ. So the next step, we are just going to pour all the paint into the same jar. So I'll just pour in the whole thing.
Okay.
Like that. And then you choose your next color. Try to pull in a circular motion.
Oh, okay.
Slowly.
I feel like I'm making latte art.
Yeah, similar. So the more you do the circular motion, the outcome will be more complex.
Okay.
You just let the paint flow. Once we pour all the paints in there, the paint starts to mix it itself.
How come mine just looks like a blue blob?
It has a lot of colors out there, so no worries.
Okay.
Trust me.
Are you ready to do it?
Yeah, I think we are ready. All paints are done.
I'm kind of nervous.
You'll be fine. You flip him once.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, what now?
Yeah, and I would just slightly hold it up like that.
Oh, cool.
And you hold it like that. And later on, I'll suggest you to do like this.
Wow.
So the paints go evenly.
This looks beautiful. All right, my turn.
Slightly hold it up. Yeah. Oh, yeah, and more.
Oh.
Yeah.
I think that was too
it's okay.
Okay, I think I'm done.
Very nice.
Yeah, how is it? Do you think M+ will put mine up?
Yeah. If you ask nicely.
How long does it take to dry?
It takes overnight, so you will have to come back tomorrow to pick up.
Cool. I'll go wash my hands and then I'll be back tomorrow.
Yeah.
And we'll see you then.
Yep.
All right.
See you soon.
Bye. Thank you so much.